Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a look at the Kasa Spot pan and tilt camera.
Yeah, it should be pretty cool. It's a 2K camera, I believe, right? Isn't it? What's it?
It's 2K.
2K with 24/7 recording, which you know what that means. SD card.
It has an SD card.
So let's see. Did it come with it? The big mystery is, did it come with an SD card? All right, there it is.
All right. It has a GNU General Public License Notice. That's important.
Also, it means an open source
It's open
software.
source software. It looks like a little mounting template thingamajiggy.
Okay, this is important to have.
All right, you take that GNU.
With a GNU license.
All right, has a power cord
No, it comes with a nice little strap on it.
with a nice little strap. It looks like micro USB to USB-A.
Okay, oh, now I have to put it all back together again. It's going to be able to be here.
All right, some screws. Little mounting bracket thing.
It's like a base of some sort.
A base. A plug for your USB.
Big USB.
And this is the camera.
Okay.
All right. Whoosh.
Look at that. Nice. Look at this. There's hardly anything to it.
Yeah, so it's pretty nice, pretty simple.
By the way, it comes with an SD card slot. Kind of have to rotate that to get to the slot.
Rotate that to get
It
to the
doesn't
slot.
come with an SD card, so we'll have
You
to
have
find
to
a
provide your
micro
own, yeah.
USB card. And then
SD card, not USB card.
yeah, you got a point there. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the mounting base. So you bolt this down with those screws they give you, and then it fits in here. Then you twist it, and it locks in. So the nice thing is, if you want to mount that on the wall or on the ceiling or wherever else, it works out good. So this is an indoor camera.
It's an indoor camera, and it does pan and tilt, and it's got a patrol mode, which is pretty cool.
So patrol mode's cool. It kind of goes like this between 2 points. And then what happens is that if it finds somebody in that while it's doing the patrol, it'll lock in on them. It'll keep spinning around. And as a matter of fact, the lens will tilt as well automatically if it's found the person. Yeah. Otherwise, you can with the app you can actually manually move it. So it's pretty cool.
And it's got two-way talk. It's got live view, so that you could also use this as a baby monitor if you want to.
Yeah.
And it's got motion detection, of course. It's got color night vision.
Yeah, color night vision is pretty
Starlight night vision, sorry.
Yeah, well, it says Starlight night vision captures colorful videos.
Even in low light. So it does have local storage with an SD card, or you can get the Kasa Care subscription, so you can store your videos in the cloud. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install this, and we'll come back and show you how it works.
A great feature of the Spot is the patrol mode. Basically, you enable motion tracking, which allows the camera to follow the motion of anything it detects. We can also limit notifications to persons, babies crying, or even sound. Then, set up activity zones and viewpoints as to where to patrol. We set up 3. Then, turn on patrol mode. The camera will then move in time to each viewpoint looking for motion. You define how long to linger at each viewpoint from 1 to 10 minutes. The camera patrols those viewpoints as seen in this sped up video. It waits for the defined time and quickly moves to the new area. We have Kasa Care, so videos are stored in the cloud. Once motion events are captured, you can replay them by clicking on the Activity tab. And you can filter which you see. For example, we just want to see events from the Spot that detected a person. As you can see, our phone was notified when the motion was seen at night in our totally dark room. It picked me up at the rightmost patrol point. In the daytime, the Spot picked me up later because it was pointing to the leftmost patrol point. In both cases, though, you can see the Spot immediately stopped patrolling and started tracking. You also noticed while the camera is moving, the images are less clear. In the night example, the Spot did lose me once I was obscured by the lampshade. In the daytime, it not only tracked me leaving the room, but a bit later as I walked up the stairs. Once tracking ends, the Spot goes back into patrol mode. In Settings, you can select which motion types to detect: motion, person, sound, and baby crying. You define how sensitive the detection is and how long the motion is detected before recording. This is a very handy setting to help eliminate false detection. Cloud Services lets you turn on or off cloud recording, though you'll need KasaCare to do so. You can select and order a plan in the KasaCare tab in the Kasa app. If you put in a microSD card, you need to enable 24/7 recording. Don't forget to enable 2K video under the video quality setting. You can set night vision off, always on, or let the camera decide automatically. And finally, don't skip the on-screen display info setting, because here is where you can tell the spot to record and display a timestamp. We like the spot, especially patrol mode, and you can choose to keep all the data local with an SD card, or select a cloud plan that fits your needs and budget. Thank you for watching.